I'm exhausted. Mind if I stay the night?
Oh, well, the thing is, I sleep with a white noise machine. Would that be a problem?
Oh, no, babe, I don't mind.
Aw, Julia.
Oh, I got it.
Thanks.
I think the white noise machine is broken. I think, like a small dog barking? I'm not really sure.
Oh, I was out cold. Those sounds put me right to sleep.
Oh, I probably just imagined it.
Oh, could you turn the machine back on, though, please?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Another one lost to the white noise machine.